previous session, we have discussed on the problems which have been left out with this problem. Let me try to continue those problems here again. So please look into the problem again. In the previous session, we have discussed about that. So what we have taken as u as sine inverse of x square plus y square divided by x plus y. Okay, we have to prove that x into dou u by dou x plus y into dou u by dou y is equal to tan u. What we have done is the sine inverse. If you take the left hand side, we get sine inverse. I mean sine u. Okay, right hand side you get this. Okay, that's what we have been observing it. And now what we have done is partially differentiated with respect to x. So partially differentiating with respect to x, I get this. So when you try to do with respect to x for this also, I get this, and I finally arrive into this. Okay, now what we have done is partially differentiate with respect to x. Now let us do with respect to y. Again, taking this condition itself. So let us do partially differentiate with respect to y here. So let me try to solve this. So I get this will be 1 by uh, sine u, and um, this would be cos cos u. Okay, this would be cos u, and this would be dou u by dou y. Okay, and again partially differentiate with respect to y, I get 1 by, this will be x square plus y square, and this would be 2y. Fine. I hope you understood this. Again, with respect to y again, so this will be 1 by x plus y. And for this, with respect to y, I get 1 here. So that's what I've been trying to explain it. So I get 1 here. Fine. I hope you understood what I've done here. So let us try to simplify this dou u by uh, dou u by dou y. So if I take to the other side, this becomes tan. So this is 2y divided by x square plus y square, and this is 1 by x plus y multiplied with tan u. So that's what I get. So now if you compare with those two results, that is this one, if I put that, so I get in the right hand side which is tan, so which we get the final result. So hence we have proved that. Okay, let me take one more example and try to explain this on partial differential equations. Okay, let us see that now. Okay, I hope you understood this problem. Okay, it's quite easy, and you all can solve this problem on your own. So let me take another u e to the power of a x plus by. Okay. Okay. I have f of ax minus by, ax minus by. Let us prove that that is b dou u by dou x plus a dou u by dou y is equal to 2 times abu. Okay, so let us try to solve this now. So how do we solve this? Now let us take t as a variable for ax plus by. Okay, let us take s ax minus by as this. Okay, so it will be easy to solve. Okay, by putting that as substitution. So this will be f of s. Now partially differentiate with respect to x. So this will be dou u by dou x. So when I do that, so I get e to the power of t, and f of s is dou t by dou x. Okay, so into f of s plus, let me do e to the power of t, and this is f dash of s into dou s by dou x, partial differentiate with respect to x. Okay, so let me put that here. So I get a of e to the power of t into f of s plus e to the power of t into f dash of s, close the brackets. Okay, so we have considered that dou t by dou x and dou s by dou x as a. As a. Now consider that. So what I got as dou u by dou x. Let us find what is dou u by dou y. Again, this is e to the power of t. This is dou t by dou y. Okay, f of s. Okay, plus e to the power of t, f dash of s, and this is dou s by dou y. Okay, so this is b times that of e to the power of t f of s minus e to the power of t into f dash of s. So what we have done is dou t by dou y is equal to b, which is equal to minus dou s by dou y. So I've taken this. Now, if I substitute here in this, so on the right hand side I get 2abu. Okay, that's what we have got to prove. So hence we have proved it. So let me continue with the next problem now. So I hope you have understood this problem. Okay, it's quite interesting, right? So let us move on to the next problem. Now, again, looking into the next problem, let us take u as f of r, okay, and x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, y is equal to r sin theta. We have to prove that dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square is equal to f double dash of r plus 1 by r, that of f dash of r. So u is equal to f of r, and x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. Okay, let us try to solve this here. Okay, I hope the previous problem you understood, right? So let us move on to the next problem. Okay, so Let us find what is dou u by dou x here. Okay, so dou u by dou x is f dash of r. Dou this will be with respect to x, so dou r by dou x. Okay, so dou r by dou x, if you try to get that result, so I get x by r. That is x by r. Okay, now again dou square u by dou x square. Let us do that here. Now this is f double dash r. Okay, dou r by dou x. Okay, into x by r plus you have f dash of r. Okay, so that is 1 by r. Okay, so that's done. Plus you'll have another term left out. So that is once we have done this, f dash of this, and this is f dash r, okay, into x into 1 by r square, and this is dou r by dou x. Okay, so that's, I hope you understood how to do this. So if you have any queries, you can please send an email, or you can comment right here if you have not understood the step. Okay, let us try to simplify it further. This is f double dash of r. This will be x square by r square, because dou r by dou x substituted as x by r, so that is x square by r square. Right? Further, I get 1 by r. Okay, 1 by r, that is f dash of r, which is common, and I'll be left with 1 minus x square by r square to this bracket. So what we have got is dou square u by dou x square. Now let us find what is dou square u by dou y square. So when you try to simplify it, so I get f double dash r, instead of x you will have y square by r square, and this is 1 by r, f dash of r, close the brackets, 1 minus y square by r square. Okay, so that's that. Now when you add these two results, so I get the final result, which is f double dash of r plus 1 by r f dash. So that is the required result. So what we have got is dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square is equal to f double dash of r plus 1 by r f dash of r. So I hope you have understood this problem. Let me move on to the next problem. Okay. Okay. Let me take another example. Okay. Suppose if I have uh, u is equal to log of tan x, tan y, tan z. Okay, have log of tan x, tan y, and tan z. You have to prove that, that is, you get sine of 2x dou u by dou x plus, so it is sine, so sine 2y dou u by dou y plus sine 2z, we have z, which is dou u by dou z, which is equal to 2. Let us get this result also here. Now, taking u as this, let us partially differentiate this with respect to x. So I get dou u by dou x. So it is a log. So that would be 1 divided by uh, tan x, tan y, and tan z. Now, you have differentiation of tan x is secant square x. So that's what I'm supposed to put. Okay. Now partial differentiate with respect to y. I need that result also. So this is again tan x, tan y, tan z, and this is secant square y. Now again partially differentiate with respect to z. I get 1 divided by again tan x, tan y, tan z, and this is secant square z. Now put all these results in this. So what do I get? So I will get secant sine square, and this is secant square. So now we have sine square sine 2x is 2 sine x cos x. Okay. So if I try to simplify it, so I get here it is multiplied by cos square x. These two gets cancelled, so I'll be left with only 2 tan of that. So when I try to simplify everything, so on the left hand side, I get that. So I get 2 as a result. Okay. I hope you understood this problem. Okay. Let us move on to the next problem. These are very important problems. Uh, so obviously, every problem is important here. Okay. Let me try to solve another problem. Suppose if you have u, if you have u as a log of square root of x square plus y square plus z square. Okay. Now let us prove that dou square u by dou x square, dou square u by dou y square, and dou square u by dou z square, which is equal to 1 by x square plus y square plus z square. Let us try to solve this. Okay. Uh, Now let us take r square as x square plus y square plus z square. So you have u is equal to log r. U is equal to log r. Now let us find what is dou u by dou x, and dou u by dou y, and dou u by dou z, and again find dou square and so on. So dou u by dou x is 1 by r, dou u by this is dou r by dou x. Okay, I get this. Now once we get this result, let us substitute by multiplying and dividing by r. So I get 1 by r square. So r, this will be dou r by dou x. Okay, I have multiplied and divided by r here. Okay, I got this result. Okay, so this result we have already done it. So that will be u, dou u by uh, 1 by r square into x. So I hope you understood this problem. Yeah. Okay. Let me try to solve the next part of the problem, that is we have to get dou square u by dou x square. Let us do that. Dou square u by dou x square. Let us do that. So that is 2 by r cube, because 1 by r square, right? So it is that will be minus 2, so minus 2 and so on. So minus 2 will have r cube, and this is dou r by dou x. Okay. Again, we have into x, right? So that's that. Plus 1 by r square into, we are doing with respect to x, so I get 1 here. When you try to simplify further, I get here as 1 by r power 4, and this is minus 2x square, and that would be plus r square. So I got the result, which is dou square u by dou x square, which is 1 by r power 4 minus 2x square plus r square. Okay, so that's done. So let us add all those results which you got. So that is dou square u by dou y square. So with respect to y, so you'll be having y square here. So 1 by r power 4 minus 2 y square r square, and dou square u by dou z square, which is 1 by r power 4, and this is minus 2 z square and r square. Okay. Now let us add all these results. I get that as x square plus y square plus z square. So which is required. Okay. I hope you understood this problem here. Okay. Let us move on to the next problem. Okay. Now let me consider u as a function of r. So let us try to solve this. U is equal to f of r. Yeah. U is equal to f of r. Yeah. So where r is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. Let us again show that dou square u by dou x square plus uh, dou square u by dou y square plus dou square u by dou z square is equal to f double dash of r plus 2 by r times that of f dash of r. Let us try to solve this now. Okay. So we know that r square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. So 2 times that becomes, if you partially differentiate with respect to x, so I get 2r dou u by, sorry, dou r by dou x. Okay, so this results to 2x, which is nothing but we have dou r by dou x is x by r. Okay, likewise you have dou r by dou y is y by x, and so on. So let us find what is dou square u by dou u by dou x. Okay, dou u by dou x is, you have this as f dash of r into this is x by r, because we got what is dou r by dou x. Let us again partially differentiate with respect to x. So I get this as f double dash R. Okay. So finally, I'll arrive into the solution as double dash R, and that would be with respect to R minus F dash R divided by R square. Okay, R square into X by R into X plus F dash R divided by R. Okay. Further, if I simplify this completely, what do I get is x square by r into f double dash of r minus f dash of r divided by r into 1 minus this will be x square by r square. So that's what I'm supposed to get. Likewise, we get dou square u by dou y square as y square by r f double dash r and f dash of r divided by r 1 minus y square by r square. So when you add all these results, so I get f double dash of r plus 2 by r and f dash of r. So which is the final result for this. So I hope you have understood. Please write to me, okay, or comment on this. Thank you.